Are you ready to enter the depths of hell? Okay, that was a little bit dramatic, but today we're going to be going under the kitchen sink, cleaning it out, and getting organized. So let's get going. So I'm really not looking forward to this at all whatsoever. So here today, like I said, it's gonna be all about this right here. We all have one. I know you do too. So I want to take my timer, it's right over there, and I'm gonna be setting it up here. I think I'm going to get through this in 15 minutes. 15 minutes, I hope you can see 15 minutes. So you could do anything in 15 minutes, and let's put that to the test. Let's see if this can actually be done in 15 minutes. The goal that I have for this, my big tip is you need to take everything out first, and then at that point, then you could put everything back, but you could put it in an organized way. So that's one huge tip for decluttering under the kitchen. 15 minutes on the timer. Go. All right, whew, I got everything out. So I have 13 minutes. That's where I'm at now. So now it's time to go through all this stuff and see what it is. This is my Fly Lady duster. It is ostrich feather. I'm not sure if it works as well as like a microfiber cloth. I'll probably put it on the counter though. Magic erasers, love them. More magic erasers. Why do I have so many magic erasers? More magic erasers. Why do I have so many magic erasers? There's 2 in here. So I'm gonna put them inside my container. No sense in keeping the box, right? I am curious to see what's in this though. It's not wine. What is it? Furniture protection. Gloves and gloves and gloves. I don't think we need this many gloves. We are not a hospital. Fluval. This is for the fish tank, yet it's under my sink. SOS pads and an unopened box of SOS pads. Big stuff. Dishwasher packs. We don't even use dishwasher packs. This is like from years ago. Disposer care cleaner. Cool, this goes inside the dishwasher disposal. I'm gonna do this after I'm done. Furniture polish. Dust, clean, shine, and protect. Lemon. Rust stain remover. Oh, this is like on sinks and toilets and stuff. Glass cooktop. Yes, I needed this. Dishwasher booster. Yes. Like a multi-purpose cleaner, like it's supposed to work on everything. Kaboom! Soap scum. That's my cooktop spray. Orange fast hand cleaner. Looks like I'm putting everything orange over here. Where's your sister? All right, getting down. Pledge floorware, squirt and mop. Hey, you know what? I am in the mood to go and get a different kind of mop. Okay, getting a little bit excited here, like just a little bit. All right, now I can get to my dish stuff. Princess, you are in my way. All right, cool. So now at this point, this is my little tub. This was like a burp cloth. It's a burp cloth. That's it. So I decided I was going to use it for like furniture polish. My handy dandy coconut oil. scrubber. This is pine sol and water. Love it. I have my microfiber cloths, so I'll go and put those in there. Our hand soap. Glass cleaner. Love it. This is cool. Ah, they're little packs. Oh, they stink. So, I am actually going to call it. Yep. Done. So here we have the finished product. It looks way better than what it did before, doesn't it? Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed watching me clean under my sink. Hopefully this inspires you to also go under your sink and clean it too, because when was the last time that you were down there? Do you have little village people that are living underneath there now? You have no idea. So thank you so much. And so next week, I believe that we are actually going to be in a few other rooms. And if those videos are out, then you will catch them on the right. And of course, if they're not out yet, then go ahead and click on my face right over there and hit the bell notification icon. And that way you can be notified the next time I have one out. So until next time, you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you then.